All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door. If you get tired, rest. But keep going. We are at the top of Skanamong mountain. Please share your hiking adventures with me. I would love to know. आज है Sunday and we are going for hiking. Yay! बहुत excited हूँ. We are going to this mountains called the Shinmuk. What is the name? What is the name?
Scunnamunk.
Kamak? What?
Scunnamunk. I think it's a Native American name.
Scunnamunk mountains कुछ न्यू जर्सी से 1-1.5 घंटा दूर है एंड इट्स इन न्यूयॉर्क एंड सुबह के 7 बजे हैं जैसे तैसे आई वोक अप तो फटाफट रेडी होंगे निकलेंगे हमारी हाइकिंग के लिए ये लेट्स स्टार्ट द ब्लॉग वी आर ऑल सेट माय बैग इज पैक्ड दिस इज द कैरी बैग व्हिच इज गॉट अ चेंज एंड दैट्स रवी's बैग एंड दिस इज आवर फूड रास्ते के लिए अगर भूख लगी तो Okay guys, so we're ready. 2020 must accessories. गाड़ी कहाँ है हमारी यार? Hello, so we have come to this place called Subsribe because we need to pick up bars, protein bars because energy तो definitely चाहिए रहती है hiking के टाइम पे तो फटाफट जाएंगे protein bars लेंगे and we're gonna get going from there. We've just reached the what mountain it is?
Scunnamunk, something like that.
Scunnamunk mountain. And the weather is so nice. इतना प्यारा weather हो रहा है. It's quite sunny out here.
You can see the nature's beautiful railway track. Here we just parked our cars. We're at the beginning, and oh, you can't see behind me. You see that mountain? That's what we're going to be climbing to the top. I don't know if you can see that, it was very bright. So our trail starts here. You can see these people walking behind. We're gonna follow them up the trail and all the way around and up.
Wow, I'm excited.
Let's go. Starting here, we're gonna come up to the top of the mountain. Let's go.
Let us go. My God, guys, check this out. This seems unreal to me. Guys, so we've started the trekking. थोड़ा difficult है because it's uphill. जैसे वैष्णो देवी में चढ़ाई चढ़ते हैं ना वैसा टाइप का कुछ. But it's so much fun. Here we are in the middle of the wilderness. It's the best adventure. थोड़ी सांस जा रही है but it's amazing. If you get tired, rest, but keep going. He always walks so fast. Squirrel की तरह जाके. He's gone up. Wait for me, and then we will go आगे. Look at him. Hi. So we haven't reached the top, but then we were walking and हमने ऐसा एक ये view देखा. This is so beautiful. Check this out. Oh, that looks very pretty. I remember जब मैं इंडिया में रहती थी ना तो मेरे को हाइकिंग से इतनी ज़्यादा नफ़रत थी. मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता था हाइकिंग करने का. प्लस ऑप्शंस थोड़े कम है इंडिया में मुझे लगता है. I may be wrong, but when I moved to the United States and when I started doing it, मैंने इतनी नहीं करे. I've just done a couple of them, but then It is so much fun. It is like a form of meditation for me because I am focused. I do get tired. मैं थकती हूँ बीच में अभी बात करते करते भी I am getting tired. But for me, the objective is to complete the trek. Hello. How's it going? How are you feeling?
It's going. Almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there actually. This is a little bit better trek than the last time what we did. But you know the thing with this one is ना मुश्किल तो है यार क्योंकि ऊपर it's steep and it's like uphill.
And that makes it worth it.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Get past the difficulty
Yeah.
in anything. Trekking, schoolwork, whatever you're doing. Almost there. Come on up. After you.
बस 10 मिनट और 10 मिनट और आई होप सो मैं अपने आप को ही मोटिवेट कर रही हूँ अंदर से कि 10 मिनट 20 मिनट्स 10 मिनट 20 मिनट्स बिकॉज इफ आई डोंट डू इट I'll be like मुझसे नहीं होगा. That's the whole thing, right? When you have to do anything in life, try and be like थोड़ा सा और try and not give up because it sucks when you give up. So this is where we started from. पूरा नीचे से we've reached here and we have to go on top of that mountain. We did it! Whoa! We did it! We reached at the top of the summit. Wow! Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the camera. We did it.
Monk Mountain. What is it?
We are at the top of Skanamong Mountain. Feeling good, right?
Feeling great.
इतना अच्छा लगा ना. I swear when I was at the top of the mountain, it felt so good. And I obviously wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you guys liked it. अब हम जा रहे हैं downhill. We're going back to where we came from. Now downhill की अलग ही story है. You gotta be like super conscious and controlled because ज़रा सा बस slip हो गए ना तो भर नीचे जाओगे. It may be a little difficult because this entire thing is really steep. So many rocks. नीचे जाके थोड़ी सी तो लगेगी. मेरी आवाज़ ज़्यादा अच्छी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but I feel like singing a song, so I'll give it a try. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door, I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. Let me know how it is in the comment section below. Guys, I would love to know that if you guys have been if you guys have been on a trek, please share your experiences with me कि आप लोग trekking गए हो या आप करना चाहते हो but you have this mind block or something like that कि डर लगता है या फिर थकान होती है. I would love to know in the comments because मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता था
अभी तक लगता है थोड़ा, बट डर के आगे जीत है। तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताओ अगर आपको हाइकिंग से डर लगता है, या फिर प्लीज़ शेयर योर हाइकिंग एडवेंचर्स विद मी। आई वुड लव टू नो। एंड अबाउट दिस व्लॉगिंग थिंग, इट्स नॉट ओनली गोइंग टू बी लाइक ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग लाइक चैलेंजेस व्लॉग्स, बिकॉज आई फील दैट मुझे थोड़ा रियल लाइफ से हट के आपको अपनी रियल लाइफ भी दिखानी चाहिए। नीचे जाते जाते तुम लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ, डर भी लग रहा है, बट क्या कर सकते हैं। वन हैंड से आई एम होल्डिंग माई ट्राइपॉड एंड द अदर हैंड keeping my eyes in the front so I don't slip.
This is it. We completed the hike. I am so happy. So happy. बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ। प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताओ आप लोगों ने इंडिया में कहाँ हाइकिंग करी है। व्हाट आर योर हाइकिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस? आई वुड लव टू नो, एंड आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉय द वीडियो। इफ़ यू डिड, प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो एंड आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ओह, you see the views. Bye.